The massive floods that hit the country on Saturday have claimed 37 lives. This is according to Inspector General of Police Acryl Sani Abdullah Sani.
Semalam kita rekodkan ada 5 kematian, iaitu 4 orang dewasa dan 1 kanak-kanak dan 2 mangsa masih lagi hilang. Semalam saja, untuk 24 jam semalam. Jadi secara kolektifnya seluruh negara, bencana banjir kali ini telah mengakibatkan kematian seramai 37 orang mangsa dan yang masih hilang seramai 10 orang lagi.
He said police are still waiting for the post-mortem on the cause of deaths on fatalities reported in flood-affected areas, and added that there were 68,341 flood victims from 18,080 families at 396 relief centers in 7 states, with Pahang being the most affected state at this time. Apart from Pahang, the 6 other states are Perak, Selangor, Kuala Lumpur, Melaka, Kelantan and Negeri Sembilan.